Good morning students. In this video I am introducing you the books and notebooks of 7th standard. The first you are seeing on the screen is for English literature reader. You are having 3 textbooks for English. The first is literature reader, second is objective advanced, in that you are having students book with answer. The third is grammar textbook. Now next is for Hindi. In Hindi you are having Vasant Bhag 2 for 7th standard, and one more Vyakaran Pravah, in that you are having grammar. The next is for maths, in that you are having I Did It mathematics textbook, and activity book also you are having the activity book also. Okay students, the next is social science, the textbook, only one textbook for social science. Now next is for science. For science you are having 3 books. First is your textbook, second is science laboratory activity book, and third is practical notebook. Now next subject is GK. You are having GK textbook, new find out. Now next is value education, living in harmony, in that you are having only one. Okay. Now next is for computer, in that you are having IT apps, the textbook. Now see, this is your notebook. All notebooks for all subjects are same except maths. In maths you are having a different notebook from last year. Now this year you are having a notebook like this, that means vertical line in between them, and there is 2 different columns, and in both columns you have to write your examples. Okay students, and on that right hand side you have to write the formulas and rough calculation.
Hello, good morning students. Many of the students don't know how to write in maths notebook. You can see this is your maths notebook and the lines are horizontal. Okay students, you have to write here the chapter name integers, and now I am going to show you how to write in maths notebook. I am taking some examples from your exercise 1.1. See how I am writing, you have to write like that only. Okay students, so first question is subtract the following. Okay, in that first question is A, that is minus 68 from minus 30. This is the question, you have to write like this only. We have to subtract minus 68 from minus 30. Okay student, that means which number will come first? After the word from, which number will come, that you have to take first. That means minus 30 you have to take first. Then the question is for subtraction. Okay, so take the sign of minus. Now the first number is minus 68. That means after subtraction sign you have to take that number. That means minus 68. Now after that minus 30 will be as it is. Now after opening this bracket, minus and minus will become plus 68. Now see here, I have used the rule of maths, which is minus, in outside the bracket minus, it will become plus. Okay student, so whatever you are using, that you have to write here, that means on the right hand side. And if you want to do a rough work, you can do here only. And if you want to use any formula, you have to mention that formula on the right side of this line. Okay, here. Now take the subtraction. The answer for this is 38 and plus 38. Okay, because a minus then plus the answer is, there will be subtraction. Okay, there will be subtraction of your answer, and the answer carry which sign? The sign of bigger number. Okay students, understand this. Now see, I am taking the second example. Second example is minus 42 from 8. Okay, second question is minus 42 from 8. That means the number 8 will come first. 8 minus outside the bracket minus sign, and inside that minus 42. Okay students, now 8, after opening this bracket, minus minus will become plus 42. Now take the addition. 42 plus 8, the answer is 50. Now the third question. See, that is 591 from 1091. That means the number 1091 will come first. Minus 591. 591 from 1091. Okay, now I want to do a rough work. I don't know the subtraction of this number. Okay, so I am doing a rough work here. That means 1091 minus 591. Okay students, now take the subtraction. 1 minus 1, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Now 10 minus 5, here is 5. So answer is 500. Okay, understand this. Now there is only 2-3 lines. My next question will not be covered here, so I want to continue this here on the right hand side of this line. So my next question will be here. Next question is D. Okay students, and the second is 5700 from minus 5700. Okay, so this number will come first. Minus 5700 minus this minus 5700. Now both the numbers are negative. That means there will be addition, but that addition carry minus sign. Okay students, now take this addition. I want to do addition here. Okay, 5700 plus 5700. Now take the addition. 0, 0, 7 plus 7, 14. Here will be 1 carrier, 5 plus 5. Now take the addition. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Okay students, so your answer is here. Like this you have to continue your answer till the last line. If your page, this page is over, you can continue here also. Now understand. If you are having any other doubt regarding your maths notebook, you can mail me. Okay students, if you are using any formula or any you want to do any rough work, you can do here also. If you are having any query, you can send me a mail.
Now students, we will discuss the notebooks of your syllabus, that is for 7th standard. Okay students, you are having 10 notebooks for term 1 and for term 2. That means you are having total 20 notebooks. In that you are having 7 notebooks of 200 pages and 3 notebooks of 100 pages. In that 100 pages you are having this notebook for your music. Okay students, now the next 100 pages is also for your test. In that you are writing the test. Okay students, now the third notebook is of graph. In that you can draw your graphs which is used in maths also. Okay students, now Now these 7 notebooks of 200 pages that you are using in term 1 also, and in second term you are using the different 7 notebooks, okay, that are for 200 pages. In that, the first notebook is of maths. This is your maths notebook, and you are writing your maths exercises on both sides, okay students. If you want to use formulas or any calculation, you can do on this right side, okay students, understand. Now the 200 pages of each subject is of like this, okay. For each subject you are having 200 pages for term 1 and term 2. For each subject you are having 2 notebooks, okay student, for first term and for second term. Remember this, you are having 2 notebooks for each subject, for term 1 and for term